Good evening. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. I hope you guys had a great weekend and I hope your Monday is going well so far. Today's topic for Mindset Monday is, where are you in the laundry of life? Where are you in the laundry of life? Most recently, I've been lost as to what it is I want to talk about on my Mindset Monday videos. And just like the few weeks past, it took an event, something that was happening, that instantly gave me the topic. And I was just folding some laundry right before I'm like, I need to do my video. And this topic came to mind. Where are you in the laundry of life? You see, when it comes to doing our physical laundry, there is a direct correlation, I believe, to our life. Do you need to wash some things out of your life? Is your life so stink and dirty right now that you need to clean up some things? You need to wash some things. You need to get some things in order, right? Or are you just ignoring it? You're just piling on new things. You're ignoring what is really going on instead of realizing, you know what? I need to wash my laundry. I need to clean up. I need to get this thing in order. Where are you in the laundry of life? And are you on the stage when things in your life needs to be cleaned up? It needs to be washed. It needs for you to get things in order. Maybe you washed up some things in your life, right? Now you have some clean laundry, but it's all over the place. Maybe it's on your bed. Maybe it's on the couch. Maybe it's still sitting in the dryer, right? You washed it, but you haven't done anything with it. Are you right there in your life? If you know me, you know I do not like laundry, right? I have a tendency of washing it, but I don't like to put it away, right? I had this little secret when I was single that I had clothes and clothes of laundry in my closet that I just didn't put away. And how I knew that I was so comfortable with my husband at the time when we were dating is I showed him that, right? I showed him that part of me that was an embarrassment. That showed me that there's some things in my life that I start, but I don't finish. Maybe it's an organization issue with you, right? You have chaos in your life that you just refuse to deal with. Yes, you had some dirty laundry, but now you just have some clean chaos that you're ignoring. You're just putting it to the side. I'm going to get to it another day. You're procrastinating. And does your laundry show you some things about your personal life? Do you procrastinate? Do you start things that you don't finish, right? Are you still living in a life of chaos, some way, shape, or form? Where you are in the laundry of life is a direct correlation to what you do with your physical laundry. So maybe you cleaned up your laundry. Maybe you folded it up, right? It's not unorganized, it's not all over the place. But now you haven't put it away. Now you haven't put things where it belongs. You haven't organized your life in a way that you know where everything is. You haven't put people in their place. You haven't put thoughts in their place. You haven't put ideas and goals and dreams in their place. So when you need it, you know exactly where to go to get it. Is this you? Is this where you are in the laundry of life? Do you have clothes that you put away, but actually you need to give away? Do you have things in your life that you're keeping for yourself, but you actually need to give to somebody else? You need to donate. You need to throw it away. Where are you in the laundry of life? There's a saying that how you do anything is how you do everything. And as I thought about this topic, as I'm talking it out, as I'm being transparent to you, I'm realizing that where I am in my physical laundry over and over again is a direct correlation to where I am in the laundry of life. Where are you? Where are you? Be open and honest to yourself that your laundry says a lot about you. Do you have things right now that needs to be washed, cleaned up, that's funkying up and smelling up your area and your life? Or do you have things that you've washed, but it's all over the place, unorganized? You don't even know where to get it. You're procrastinating, you're stalling. Or have you folded stuff up, making it look very neat, but you haven't put it in its place? You haven't organized it. You haven't put things where it needs to go. Maybe you don't need to keep it. Maybe you need to give it away. Maybe you need to donate it. Maybe you need to throw it away. Yes, it may be laundry to you, but in actuality, it may be life reflecting back to you. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week. Go see where you are when it comes to your laundry. And I'll talk to you next week for another Mindset Monday. Bye-bye.